Bob.
Hi. If you're here for the construction workers, please take a seat.
I'm here for the construction worker interview.
Okay. Nice to meet you. You got a last name, Bob?
It depends on what you mean by last name, Mr. Bossman.
I mean, do you have a name that comes after the name you chose?
Ah, yes. Bob. Bob the Builder.
Oh, I see. Okay, why don't you tell me a little bit about yourself? What do you do?
Well, I like to talk to my construction equipment.
I'm gonna have to stop you.
There's Scoop, Lofty, Travis Tractor. They tell me nice things. They like my boots. And whenever I ask if we can fix it, they say, yes, we can.
Next!
Hello. My name is Kenwood. I'm here for the construction work interview.
Okay, nice to meet you. Sorry, did you say your name is Ken?
Kenwood?
Kanye?
Kenwood.
Squidward?
Kenwood.
Okay, let's move on. Tell me a little bit about yourself. What do you do?
Well, I was born in Mississippi. I've worked with my hands from a very young age. My father used to tell me, son, there ain't nothing you can't do without a little hard work.
All right, and what types of projects have you worked on?
Well, I've done home construction, road construction, apartment buildings, college dorms. I'm really good at installing peepholes with cameras in them. I can show you some footage if you want.
Okie dokie, don't call us, we'll call you. Next!
Every time.
Hola, me llamo Manny.
But I know that's you, Bob.
No, senor, it's me, Manny. Handy Manny.
What do you do?
Well, I tucked the tools in my toolbox.
Just stop.
There's Rusty and Squeeze and Stretch and Felipe.
I know you're just trying to be nice.
No, they tell me nice things. They say I look muy guapo. We love you, Manny the handyman, Manny. They help me hammer things.
Did someone say